we are receivers of a lot of news from media outlet regarding the mysterious disappearance of Jonas Burgos, the son of the late press freedom fighter Jose Burgos. We would like to express our sympathy to the mother, the family of Jonas Burgos, with our prayers. We do not know what is the object of his disappearance, but we sympathize with the family over his disappearance. In our prayer, we would like to request that those who are handling him may have the mercy and the compassion to return him to his family. This is our prayer.